What it do? What it do? What it do? We're live. We're live. We're here. We're doing it. It's happening. It's popping it. It's time to party. Right now, looking at the QQQ. Looks like we didn't really go anywhere overnight. Kind of, we sold down actually, and then popped right back up overnight in the futures at about a 1 o'clock last night. So look at this move. Look at this thing. Baby Jesus, what happened last night at 1 o'clock in the morning? From the 17,900 all the way down there to the 17,780 pivot. And then all the way back up. Huh. You gotta love it. It'll never be that easy for us. Never. Never. Dying. It was economic news from London. Okay. Well, let's go. Dollar bills. Oh, dollar bills. Just getting ready here, looking at the interwebs. What's going on Twitter right now? Twitter. Not much. Got some news today. We gotta take some news. Got some news. OnlyPropFirms.com. Let's see what the news is today, my friends. Let's see. Economic calendar. All right. Today is the 17th of April. And, well, we had a little bit of news at 7 a.m. and then now looks pretty normal. Nothing too crazy today, so that's the news. OnlyPropFirms.com. Tomorrow, big news. Initial jobless claims, existing home sales, 8:30 numbers, and 10 o'clock numbers tomorrow. So if you want to learn more, check out OnlyPropFirms.com. All right. Looking at the 1 hour chart right now, we are basically back up to where that big move down happened, and now we are just kind of sitting there. The high from yesterday is 17,990, and then there's that kind of 18,000 area right there as well. So I do feel like if we break out here, it's pretty obvious move to kind of test that 18,000 area to the upside there. Interesting that we kind of held that level overnight and then right back to here. So just waiting and watching. We got plenty of time here. We're early today. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. All right. Somebody says, if you enter a trade 40 minutes before the news with the same strategy and sizing, they won't flag that. They will not flag it. Correct. They won't flag it. Somebody asking about the VWAP. I use the basic VWAP. Literally just the actual, it says, when you type in VWAP, it just says volume weighted average price. That's the one that I'm using. So very simple, very easy. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overcomplicate it, okay? Deal. Some music today. Okay. I don't really like that though. No, go back. Go forward. Oh, God. Ow! All right, NASDAQ up there to the 940s. But, let's go. Off of the VWAP earlier there at the 17,892s. 15-minute chart starting to percolate back to the upside there, break it out. Nice little boner candle there from the 910 straight up to that little high and then working its way through there now. A lot of resistance up here at this 940 level. If we can get through that 940 level, like I said, I think there's a very good possibility that we run 980s, 18,000 to the upside there. But yeah. Market has definitely been in sell mode the last few days here. You can see on the NASDAQ, it's been a bloodbath, but it's weird. You get these like big, massive drops, kind of like, it almost looks like if you look at it right now, like see this big, massive drop right here, back there on Thursday, the 4th, and then we kind of consolidate and then we push right back up into the middle of that. So I feel like there's still this idea of maybe pushing back up 18,000 or so before dumping again. Yeah. Back up into here, 1880. I like it. Definitely has that look right now. Got that look right now. Let's squeezy squeeze. Ooh, buddy. The daily chart now. Put us back up here to this 1860 area. Yesterday's high. Basically your key levels right there, I think, for any type of upside movement here. Would be back up here, maybe into this level. They've already kind of taken out that low from yesterday, so a channel of accumulation. There's the channel. This is back in January. So January 2024, 17,600 level. We push up here 1,000 points basically. 18,700. And now we are back at the bottom of that channel of accumulation. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. We are here, we are live. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button, you know what to do, baby. Got some big plans for the stream, actually. I'm right now looking for a warehouse. I'm looking for a warehouse. I want to make the stream better. We're gonna have everything better, baby. Bigger, bigger, better. So working on that right now, actually. Hopefully tomorrow going to look at a warehouse and feel it out. See if the vibe is gonna work. Basically a 2,000 square feet, just open warehouse. It's got a roll-up door, which is nice. So I can park the McLaren right there next to my desk when I'm working. So, why do you need such a big space to stream? Well, I want to like park my McLaren right next to me while I'm streaming. I think it would be, you know, it's hard to do it in my house. Yeah, maybe we'll have an open house one day. A little event. Have a little event. All right, NASDAQ going nowhere quick. Pushed up here into this resistance level, and now a little pullback here again. Can you bring your own McLarens? Yeah, bring your own McLarens. Do you like the Sea Hunters? I haven't really heard the best reviews about Sea Hunters, to be honest. So it's not that I don't like them or not. I just don't really I haven't really heard the best reviews from people who have had them. All right, NASDAQ, you just sitting here. Looking at the 5-minute chart, little bull flag right now. If we can get through this 40 level. Definitely a lot of resistance in this level from yesterday. 40, 50s, 55, pretty much this whole area above this high right here. Resistance. Want to be careful. See if we get this breakout here. Market ready to make a move, just hard to know exactly which way we're gonna go here. I feel like this is a reversal type of day to push up a little bit after looking at the daily chart. I don't know. See, I feel like this was if you look back in January, we had a doji candle. That was the beginning of the reversal. I'm trying to like see how many times we had a doji candle and then we had a red candle right after a doji. A green doji. How many times do we have a green doji that's turned into a red candle on the next move? I have not seen one yet. I don't know, I feel like we're kind of primed up for this candle here to push a body up into here, maybe wick up into this level, right? That's kind of what it looks like. There's the breakout there on the 2-minute chart. From the 30s now up there to the 40s. We got no important news today, so we will be able to trade, hopefully. I don't see anyone talking or anything crazy today, so good news for us. It's time to party. The big news tomorrow, initial jobless claims, existing home sales. You can see that news every day on onlyprofirms.com and learn more about it. Oh, baby Jesus, it's making the move. Why? Should have taken that trade. Should have taken that trade there, boys. What's the 2 p.m. news? Oh, beige book. Beige book. NASDAQ really just having trouble with this 940 level. The dollar moving back down overnight. Who's ready to party, baby? Get my phone. Need my phone here. All right. NASDAQ just chopping around here. Chop city right now. And we are waiting to see what happens here. If you guys haven't hit that like button, it's free to like. We got to get more likes here on the stream. We got to bump up these numbers. These are rookie numbers, people. Rookie fucking numbers. Rookie numbers, people. All right, so the NASDAQ. I feel like sometimes the NASDAQ. Very like a NASDAQ. Yeah, this music is pretty relaxing right now. I need to change it up a little bit. Ooh, this is old school vibes right here. Used to play, I think it's when I was in Hawaii, I was playing this. All right, we got plenty of time here till the market opens. The game plan right now, we got the kind of this almost the same setup as yesterday, with that being right in the middle between those two pivot points, the 982 pivot point and then the pivot point to the downside, 17886, with the VWAP down there as well at the 94. So we got the VWAP and this pivot point down there. We bounced there earlier, support in that area for now. So if we get push up here, kind of looking at the bigger picture, if we look at the hourly chart, I mean the daily chart right here actually, that daily candle just looks like it wants to kind of get up into here. I don't know, it just has that look. You know? It's got that look, man. Something about it. Like if I was gonna like imagine where this candle is gonna close after that candle yesterday, this candle, it's like we'll push up. We'll push up coming today. Let's see. 18,000. I think it's possible. NASDAQ still holding on, fighting here at this level. From the 32s now back up to the 40s again, breaking out there. Someone says, will go down. Okay. Place your bets, baby. Place your fucking bets. J-Bro in the chat just said, will go down. 1 second later, it goes up. The chat never fails. $18,000s coming. There she goes. It never fails. Literally, the guy in the chat said this is gonna go down. And 5 seconds later, it just goes straight up. You gotta love it. Lux Algo price action concepts. Patrick, are you still on the gym grind? Not as much as I should be. NASDAQ going. Fucking A. Dollar selling off here. NASDAQ trying to push. We're going to be running into resistance here at the 50s, and then you've got like the 60s up there next. Oh my. Oh my. Up to the 60s now. Where did he go? Where did the guy in the chat, J-Bro, will go down? Can't make this up. Can't make this up, man. We got 15 minutes till market opens. The dollar selling off here. That daily chart looking more and more. Looking more and more 18,000s on the daily chart there. Oh my God. NASDAQ from the 30s now up there to almost the 68s. Can't stop, won't stop. We are looking. What do we got cooking, baby? What is cooking? Cooking. Oh, turd, Kimmy, turd. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. All right. Still got 13 minutes here till the market opens. NASDAQ up to a high of 968 so far there. 17,968 there. Just had this little breakout through that resistance there at the 40s and pushing back up. We had this big move overnight. Had some news come out. I guess England, Europe, some bullshit news came out. The market dumped all the way down to there and then pushed right back up. We're back above the VWAP. And as of right now, the bulls trying to get up there towards that high of, I think, at least the high of day from Friday. I mean, from Tuesday here. The high was 988. 988 high. After that, you're thinking there's 83 pivot point to the upside. This pivot point there, 982s. Can we get some good price action today? I'm hoping, I'm praying. We got a lot to do today. We got a lot to get through. But it's primed. We're ready. We can do it, baby. Me and Your audio is lagging. I mean, my audio's lagging. Your audio's lagging. Patrick, why is ICT not on the Robbins Cup leaderboard? I don't know. Who would have ever said that ICT was not going to win the Robbins Cup? I don't know. I don't know nobody. The NASDAQ pushed up there to the 960s, the 15-minute chart right now. New boat offer accepted. Yes. People said I'm cutting out. I'm not. Maybe I'm just not talking. Am I cutting out? I don't know. You're lagging. What does that mean? I don't know. Like the music's lagging? All right, get rid of the music. Some people said I sound fine, some people don't. So, all right, the NASDAQ. Let's see what happens. We broke out there on the 15-minute chart. This 940 area was previously resistance. See if it pulls back here to the 940s. That open again. Yeah, it sounds like listening to your Discman on the school bus. I don't even... Some people said there is no issue. Some people said there are problems. So there's no problem on my end. I think it's a problem on your end. Maybe refresh the page or something. Get better internet. I don't know. All right. We got 8 minutes here till market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ sitting here at the 960s. That next key level, 982. 982 to the upside there. We will see what happens. Left, right, up, and down in every possible direction. We got VWAP to the downside down there at 17,900. We got a pivot point down there as well. On the daily chart right now, we're looking here. On the daily chart, what do we got? 17,988, the high yesterday, and then I'm thinking a push above 18,000 would be in play there. So, time to party, baby. Getting it ready here. Just make the money. Gonna make the money. Gonna make that money. All right, I got everything pulled up. Everything that we need. I got it all on the screens. So all we need now is a good move. A good move, my friends. Give me something hot. Give me something I can sink my teeth into and get a big piece of meat. All right, all right. A little less than 5 minutes. Guys, if you're having problems with the audio, I'm telling you, you have to reset your, restart the thing. If you don't have, some people have problems, there's no problem here. Like, even if I go and look at my own stream. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Sounds totally fine to me. Sounds really, really nice. Sounds really, really nice. All right, so the NASDAQ sitting there, 960s again, trying to push that pivot point up there at the 982s. We are getting closer and closer to the another day, another dollar, another day. If you guys ever hit that like button, help me out, blow up the like button. Will the market go higher? The 8-ball just said, consult me later. This is a real lazy fucking 8-ball. A real fucking lazy 8-ball. Isaac, can you explain why the boat is worth $500,000? Because the motors alone are worth $200,000. The boat, when it's brand new, is $800,000. I mean, do the math. I don't know. I don't make the prices. It's just the way things are. All right, the NASDAQ trying to push through this high right here. And they're also it's not a mass-produced boat. Like, there's not thousands of boats out there that I'm looking for. Three minutes. What is the difference between the one that I already have? The one that I have right now is a 36 foot. The one that I want to get is 39 foot. 3 foot doesn't sound like a big difference, but it's a big difference. All right, so as you can see on the daily chart, yesterday we closed the day with a doji candle. We already took out the low of that doji candle. We've already pushed back up. I feel like we've got to want to kind of take out that 980 area, 18,000s in play, possibly even higher. We got pivot points to the upside that could be tappity taps. So here we go. Market about to open. Let's see what happens. At open here. Still 2 minutes. All right, 30 seconds. It's time to party. Dollar looking weak. The ES trying to push. The NASDAQ, everything looking real primed up. Primed up here, boys. She's primed and ready. Well, let's see how she plays. It's another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. VWAP to the downside down there. Let's see which way we going. Pivot point first at the 980s or to the VWAP. Let's find out. Right now, moving down there to the 46s. VWAP coming up. Oh, buddy. Might get a little reaction to this 30 level that we bounced earlier. Little bounce there at the 30s for now. Got the VWAP down there at the 17,902s. Nice little reversal there off the 30s for now. NASDAQ trying to decide which way it wants to go here. If we can get back over this, I think 50 level strong, it takes us up there to the 80s next, but basically below 60s or so, we can probably just keep on moving down here. We need to get it above that 60 level quickly here. Right now, just consolidating here, sitting at this 40 area, 30s from earlier. Will we push through the 50s? Both the ES, the NASDAQ trying to push back up here. Being met with pressure there at the 40s again. VWAP down there at the 904s for the VWAP. All right. Again, holding that 30 level. This is right back up there. This is definitely looking scary for the bears right now. I think if this gets over 55s, we go through the highs. So let's see if this is going to be a straight up boner candle type of reversal here. Got to get through that 50 level strong. Watching this 50 area. We'll take this long here, see if we can go right through the 55s next. And then try to get up there quickly. Might just see if I could take right here. I'll take it at 56s actually. And get filled quickly for 1,000. I'm gonna keep us up above 60 now. Needs to start going straight through 55s here. There she goes. Come on, through 55s. I just do not like the fucking A. Again, deny there. Not a good sign. Let's see. One more try. One more try. Just trying to get through that 55 level here. We just stopped like right there. Stopped out there. Oh, I should have just taken it. I saw that 55 fucking bullshit. And the NASDAQ going nowhere for now. Going to the VWAP looking like. NASDAQ moving on down to the VWAPers. The 15-minute range right now here on the NASDAQ. Now, as I got right down there towards the VWAP and bounced right back up once again. Dollar selling off. Both the ES, the NASDAQ showing strength here. Right now we're looking at the 2-minute chart. The trap is real today. Just pretty much in this big chop zone here. ES just is trying to break out. Kind of broke out on the 15-minute chart. Divergence here between the NASDAQ, the ES. NASDAQ's got to take out that 47 level here. Dollar's dumping straight down. NASDAQ looks like it wants that VWAP touch. See if we tap the VWAP here. There we go, VWAP. Touched. YOLO. NASDAQ moving on down. Down to a low of 903s now. We're right there at the VWAP. By the way, if you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. Let's do some giveaways. Every day we're giving away $100 at onlyprofitfirms.com. Let's go. And I'll do, if we get, what do we got? What do we got right now on the stream? We get 500 likes. I'll give away $100 through PayPal to one lucky person in the chat right now. So, let's get it. Looks like we're going to take out that 92 level there. Pivot point down there at the 86s now. A whole lot of love on the blues. Wow. NASDAQ right down there to the pivot now. There you go. Got some good, some new stuff coming out soon as well. I'm working out a deal, trying to get a deal, this thing situation going. I want to, basically, when people use my, use the code PW is the code for always the best deals. But when someone uses my code, they get entered into a chance to win something cool. And I think at some point we got to give away like a Lambo or something. Every time you buy an Apex evaluation, every time you reset, you get an entry into the Lambo giveaway. That'd be fun. All right, so who wants $100? Put your PayPal address in the chat box. First person to do it wins $100. Jeffrey, $100 for Jeffrey. $100, onlypropfirms.com, baby. All right, Jeffrey, check your PayPal. Check your PayPal. All right, the NASDAQ continuing to move down here. Where do we go next? We're right there at that pivot point. Give me a deal with Essentia. I'm in. Make the deal happen, baby. Henry G, I bought like 400 Apex accounts with your code. Well, I've been there. I know how it feels. All right. What is next? For the NASDAQ today. NASDAQ getting stuck here below the 900s for now. See if these shorts take it even lower. Watching that 890 level here. There's that 890 break. Take out that low there. 880s breaking through there. 77s. Beautiful. You can see the short setup there for that move down, pushing back up, little bear flag there on the 1 minute chart. Through the 890s there. Down to the 75s. And in terms of target, I think oh, they're gonna just chop around here. I mean, the QQQ still got a long way to go. That gap fill that we identified from back there, what, in February? 426s on the QQQ to get down there. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Whoa. Can't see nothing. Somebody asked you, why don't I use Bookmap? It's not that I don't use Bookmap. I just haven't really been using it. I don't know. I feel like sometimes when I was using Bookmap, I was just too much. I was too focused on like trying to figure out what where the market was gonna go, and just, I don't know, too much going on. I just try to scale back some of the influence. Let's see what happens with the 15-minute chart today. Had that first 15-minute opening candle. We'll see where... I'm always interested. I don't know why. I don't capitalize off this setup enough, honestly. I just need to, like, honestly, I think stick to this 15-minute opening range breakout, because, like, look at today. Today, if you, I mean, even if you just get rid of everything, I mean, 15-minute range breakdown from the 912s now. I mean, down to there, 880s, 30 points. I mean, that's, yeah. And the best part is, like, if you waited for that 15-minute break, you would have avoided all this bullshit. You know, you literally, like, you would have avoided all this. So. It's not bad. I think I just need to... stick to the simple things, Patrick. Stick to the simples. Oh. What was I? Well, look at that. 15-minute opening range breakdown. It's a beautiful thing sometimes. Right down there to the 950s. Oh, buddy, look at that thing. Dropping like a rock. All of the love. NASDAQ down there to the 850s now. '30s and 20s kind of looking like we work our way down here some more. Maybe a little chop back up first, but this 820 area down there looking juicy. Trying to squeeze it straight back up here again. That's why you want to be careful, my friends. Not trying to get short at the bottom. Don't short the bottom. No FOMO. Because of this type of shit right here. It just squeezes back up. Takes you out of the game. Ruins your game. Ruins the day right there. Trying to short at the bottom. NASDAQ back up here, 60-70 area. Pat, that dude was right, though. We did go down. Yeah, I mean, he wasn't right then, though. That's all that matters. So this is actually the Lux Algo indicator that I came out with just recently. And what it does is it does identify, sometimes there's too much stuff going on here, but it does identify the opening range with that dotted line right there. So that's the opening line. I'm just gonna do one of these. Oh, God. Yeah, that's still the opening range. Liquidity thing's a little... But still. Oh. All right. Yeah, that thing's pretty sexy. It's just these damn liquidity lines. They're just looking weird right now, but she's still going lower, boys. Wowzers. Through the 30s now. Pivot point down there at the 17,786s. She is dropping like a rock right now. Dropping like a rock. I love the people in the chat who like an hour later go and type, "What did I say?" Like someone remembered. Like, oh, wait, what did you say? Wait, what? I forgot. What did you say? I'm confused. The nature. I said sell in my previous comment. Oh, congratulations. But what did you say? Real question is, do we push back up here or do we just keep on moving downtown? If we lose that 20 area, 800's coming up there. Right now, we're looking at the NASDAQ, NQ futures. NASDAQ. Got that EMA up there, 14 EMA up at the 65, 70 level. Looking at all the different charts, trying to see where I want to be, what I want to do. Cotton Eye Joe. I definitely think if we lose this support here, we're going straight to that pivot. Still holding up there at the 30s, so you got to get below that, the low of those candles, 24, 25s. I see the 766 level. 776 level. Dollar's going straight up again. Still holding up here at the 30s for now. There it goes through the 30s. Beautiful. Took that short right there through the 30s. Boom, baby. So $2,700 across 12 accounts here today with Apex. So market intuition, dude. I don't give a fuck about checking your level. Spam the chat. Go fuck your market. Your name's Market Intuitions or some shit. Dude is just spamming the chat for me to check some level. You check the level. Fuck. There she goes. Beautiful little setup there. Like we said, below this 30s, taking it out. Woo, right down there. Pivot point to the downside, 785s there. I've got the hourly chart pulled up here to see kind of where we're at. We're through that 20 level there, 820s. The next kind of level, 790s down there. Matawada. Holy guacamole. Look at that reversal right now. Reversal. Or that just rip right back up there to the 50s, huh? Is somebody anticipating that the news is going to be for oil is going to be bullish for the market? Right now, running into the 14 EMA here. Up there to 61s. Dollar dumping here. We got 3 minutes. There's a bunch of news for the oil inventory and blah 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 at 10:30. Normally not a big mover, but on a day like today it might be something. Ugh. We'll see what happens here at 10:30. I do not have a Discord. No Discord, no Telegram, no signals. Watch it here. Watch it. Bro, you are irritable today. I'm so irritable. Irritable bowel syndrome. Caleb, still working out. I don't live in Orlando anymore, so I don't work out with my dad anymore. That's why you don't see the videos. Thanks for keeping track of my workout schedule. All right. So the NASDAQ at the 60s here, key level. We get stuck here where you know what's going to happen next. We're moving on down to that pivot point down there at the 786s. We lose this 40 support. Still just holding up there at the 14 EMA. Trying to turn that 14 EMA into support right now. Ruh-roh. Can the bulls start trying to step in here? Dollars pulling back. It's kind of just like hanging on for dear life right here. Hanging on for dear life. If you guys haven't already checked out Apex, it's 80% off a one-day pass right now. And all kinds of deals. You can sign up today, get funded. A link down below in the chat somewhere. All the fun links into the deals. Use the code PW always for the latest and greatest in news and just all that fun stuff. Watching to see if we start dumping here. Trying to get through the 40, 30s quickly. Just kind of chopping around here, holding up at the 40s for now. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, just kind of bear flagging. Probably chop around until 11 o'clock, till after London close. She's working. She's trying to get down there. I think we'll take out this low, but just got to get through here. This 20 level is a area that we bounced off before on the hourly chart. So there's some support here at the 20s. To get through this 20 level, we move on down there through the 800s next. See if we get through the 20s there. Do-do-do-do. Got one of these going on now. Just kind of forming out this bear flag here. Looking weak here again, getting stuck at the 14 EMA. We start moving through the 20s. We move on down there to the 17,800s next. Someone in the chat said, if you're not long, you need to look long. Okay. All in long. The chat has spoken. Am I gonna lease out trading desks if I get a building? Probably not lease them, but maybe some people can come trade there. NASDAQ sticking below the VWAP there. I mean, below the 14 EMA. If we take out the 20s here, pivot point to the downside. NASDAQ continuing to sit here below the 60s. Waiting to see what happens here. We get this breakdown. She's primed and ready to go lower. Market wants to go. Make a move. I don't know. I think we want to touch that pivot, Boyd. Holy God, it's getting tight. Get real tight here. All right. Little breakout. Trying to break back above the 14 EMA. Still just very much wedging here. Oh, buddy. We're waiting to see, will it go? Oh, buddy. It's waiting to go. Will the market go up? Chances aren't good. Damn it! It's funny. All right, breaking out. So we held that 30 area. No reason to get short there in that little breakout. So pivot point to the upside there at the 17,887 level. On the 1 hour chart. Try to push up there now. The breakout. Oh, man. Well, and hey, look at that. Chopped right back to the 14 EMA. So I think I got things to do. I got to sell my boat. I'm selling my boat this week. I got to go to the tag office to work on that. That was the I think that was the trap right there, huh? They trap those longs just to dump it straight down. Wow. Well, I guess everybody that said that the chat was right about going up, I guess I guess it's still kind of going up, right? Kinda? A little bit? No, it's not. The 8-ball was right. The 8-ball was right. You know it. I did ask the 8-ball if it was going to go up. It said the chances were low. Wow. There's the 785s down there. Rest in peace to all the ICT traders who said we were going to go up because of turtle soup. The turtle soup it didn't work today. Holy shit. That was nasty. Johnny Walker, 1 day pass. Well, let's go. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free, baby. It's free. Wow. It's a bloodbath. It's a bloodbath. The trap is real. Holy shit. On the day right now, I'm up $2,700 across 12 accounts. So 12 funded accounts with Apex, $2,700 a piece, and then $3,000 for some evaluations getting passed again today. So there it is. Wednesday, the move we were looking for, man. Oh, baby Jesus. Got through the London low right there. They ran it, took it out. Ooh, buddy. I used the trade copier through Trade of 8. Trade grouping or trade manager, group manager, managed groups. So there it is. There it is, folks. What's crazy too is like that 15-minute. Look at that setup from the 920s now down there are the 784s. So I gotta stop fucking. I gotta start being focused on that 15-minute setup. I don't know why I don't focus on it more, but today is a perfect example of how well the 15-minute setup played out there. So there it is. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Thursday. We got Thursday action. Lots of action coming. And we're doing it right here every day, baby. So there it is. If you guys haven't already checked out Apex, right now 80% off with Apex, 1 day pass, and yeah, it's ready to go. So there it is. Talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East.